What's up, y'all? Vinny Cuz here, and we're gonna do this thing on the weekend. First weekend with the rental. We're going to zero out our trips so we know where we're at here. Oh, reset current trip, yes. Reset trip A, yes. Reset trip B, yes. So we can see, right? Trips in this card, nothing, 0 and 0. So trip A will be the per day. Trip B will be for the entire weekend. The other thing too is Uber gave me a quest, if y'all want to call it a quest. Earn $390, get an extra $35. Earn an additional $160 on top of that. So what does that put me at? $390, $160, $550, and I can earn an extra $65. So they're saying if I do $550 this weekend, doesn't have to be in the Tesla. I could throw the caddy in there. But if I do $550 this weekend, I'll make an extra $100. That's not terrible. Question is, am I going to be able to make the $550? That's the question. I don't know. Let's see how this goes. Let's get this day started. App is on. It is 5:35, y'all. Let's get this money. All right, so that first ride was, I don't know, it was cheesy. Little $5 ride, went like 3 miles. But, that young lady has 1.3 million followers on TikTok. Now listen, I ain't getting on no damn TikTok. That's Jeff. Jeff's the TikTok master. Y'all know who I'm talking about, Uber Jeep AZ. But it's cool, man, that more people are getting into social media or getting into recording YouTube videos and content. Like, that's cool. Anyway, first ride down, 3 miles, $5. It is what it is. All right, so it's Sunday afternoon, 3:30. I'm gonna go get this car washed. Well, maybe not. Looking at all that rain over there again. Friday, I wound up doing, I think 10 trips, all short trips for like $125. I don't know, I'll post that here. It was a pretty easy night. I wasn't getting anything strong, no premieres or anything like that, although I think I did get one, but it was a nothing ride. And then yesterday I went out, I had a scheduled premiere ride that I accepted with the Tesla. Now I had thought about making the switch and going and getting her with the Cadillac. But I also thought about, wait a minute, Uber gave me the premiere ride while I was in the Tesla. So it knows I was going to drive the Tesla. So that's what I did. So that was a 3:30 scheduled pickup. It was a hitter. $111 for 54 miles, but that included like a $4 toll. So wasn't terrible. Good way to start the day. Then I stayed out, till about, I don't know, 11:30 last night. Picked up another 8 rides and wound up doing like 217, 218. I'll post that here. So far, I think I'm working more efficiently. There are some rides that I've turned away, but there are a lot of rides that I would never have normally taken, but I took them anyway. I got to turn this AC up, bro. It's piping out here. It's 92 degrees. So, yeah, we're going to try to finish out today. It says I need $80 to hit that quest. I don't know if I'm going to get there, but I can say this. Remember that first week? 42 hours, $570? Yeah, I've already hit that. With no bonuses, no help. Straight hustle. All right, so I just finished up my Sunday. Did 5 trips for $102 today, but with the little $35 quest bonus, put me at $137. So I hit my goal. the goal was to get to 700 this week in under 30 hours. And I managed to do that. You can see the numbers here. But now I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna break down my numbers and see exactly how I did. But we know one thing, I did way, way, way better than I did the last time I had this car. So things are starting to look up. And I also want to talk about something. Renting versus owning. It changes the whole mindset. Miles mean nothing to me anymore. Now, because I'm already paying the rental cost. So now it's not about miles. It's about time. I finally get that.